Hello and welcome back to Simon's Trading Channel. Yes, that's right, I'm wearing sunglasses because I'm coming to you from an undisclosed location in Somerset. That's the west country of the UK, and it's renowned for its beautiful summers with plenty of sunshine. And I've seen some really cool traders who wear sunglasses when recording their YouTube videos. So I thought I'd give it a go. And then I instantly realised I'm not cool at all, so I'll take them off. There we go. All right, back to normal. 'Tis I, Simon. And I hope you've all had a great Saturday, which is what today is. A bit of a late video, but I've had a busy day. So you'll probably be watching it tomorrow. In which case, happy Sunday. But I'll also be doing a video then too. So, if you like daily Bitcoin videos, please like and subscribe. Right, get on with it, Simon. So here is Bitcoin on the 4 hour. Now, quite similar price action to yesterday. I've got a few lines on here just I just use them as perspective really. And as you can see here, this is the line of perspective for trend. So a low, a high low. Well, that's an uptrend, and then I've got range high 74, range low 56, and 50% of that is 65. And you can see that price action, as of the middle of last week, has stamped its authority on an uptrend as opposed to a downtrend that it'd been in over the last 4 to 6 weeks. And a really nice retest of the midpoint here. So it moved up, came back down, lovely retest with a bounce, and then it's moved up a bit more. It's currently consolidating on the very low time frames, and that can break in either direction. But momentum is generally to the upside, so I'd be biased towards the upside for this consolidation area to break. However, you can see even in an uptrend, sometimes sideways consolidation on the very low time frames precedes a move down and then a move up. But yeah, basically consolidating sideways at the moment, and I think that's all fine. And this trend will, in my eyes, continue to be in an uptrend, definitely as long as Bitcoin, puts in another higher low, which by definition would have to be around here somewhere. What would be perfect would be a nice retest of, say, 63,000. What would look quite good would be a retest of 60,000. What wouldn't look good, though, is price getting back down below there. Because I don't know if you remember, that was my previous range low before this kind of fake out breakout thing, which I've now included at the bottom of the range. So yeah, many closures back below this low, and it's hard to then conclude that this remains in an uptrend. On the momentum front, the stars are aligning a little bit. If we just use the 4 hours, the sort of lower momentum, you can see momentum is to the upside using my momentum matrix. The daily is indeed to the upside as of yesterday, and the weekly's been an uptrend for ages. So all of the significant time frames that I refer to are now in an uptrend. And when that kind of aligns like that, I do expect price action to follow through really and deliver the goods. So I certainly wouldn't be betting on significant downside at this point. Now, how far Bitcoin goes and whether or not it pulls back first, I have no strong opinions on. But I think the longer it consolidates sideways, the more likely it is to make a move up rather than a move down. And yeah, good target, in a similar way to yesterday's video, good target initially is probably 69, 7, anywhere between 69 and about 71,000 initially. And then following that, well, we'll see. If I was to be honest with you all right now, unless price action starts to become a lot more bullish, like really impulsive, massive green candles and in sequential numbers, if that makes sense. That probably doesn't make any sense. In sequence, let's just say, or sequentially. I don't really see this breaking above the current top of the range and creating new all-time highs in the next sort of week or so. I just don't. Not based on this sort of price action. Clearly that can change, and maybe Bitcoin will, over the next week work its way to the top, and then maybe the week after bust on out to the top. That would be end of May coming into June. So I don't know, but I get the feeling that we've not seen the end of this range yet, and that it may be in existence for another few weeks. But that is just a feeling, so you can take that with as much salt as your palate would dictate. But there you go. So I think, in summary, yeah, nice uptrend, most momentum aligning to the upside, all safe above this low. And look for more upside. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, do me a favor and like and subscribe. And as I said earlier, I'll be doing it again tomorrow. So if you haven't enjoyed the video, then don't come back. Okay, take care, enjoy your Saturday, and I'll see you tomorrow for Sunday's price action. Goodbye.